so fucking hot right now, you know, isn't it? Like it's actually blazing. It's now a spectacle as an audience.
Greg, can you go grab the jerry can out the back of the Motorbike?
Let's go, bro.
There must be like a choke or something on it. Oh my God.
Is it working?
I'm crushing. Shit. There we go. Oh, hey!
Do you still want the jerry can? I'm going to be very, very useless in this scenario.
Oh, hey! This is sick, bro.
Oh!
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Get it, Greg. I got it.
Go on then, Grego.
Trying.
Just jump in, mate.
Fuck.
It's all right once you start now.
Oh.
This is going to be the best. Right, Zach, you're going to...
Heavy, oh yeah.